Why did that stop? Okay, so one of the main tools that they use is ways of transition between words. So when you're segueing between words or sentences or paragraphs or entire chapters or whatever it might be, different ways that you can do that. And you really want to be able to do this correctly to make that whole of what the reader is reading to make it flow smoother. You don't want to be where it's real clunky, where it kind of bounces around, where, this sentence just comes to an end. You go to the next paragraph. You want it to be able to kind of flow. So it makes sense. It's smoother, and it also keeps the reader interested and excited about what they're reading. Okay, so it's different structures and different ways you can do this. You can use examples, pros and cons. You can have a chronological order or a process, and then elaboration. Okay. So that block, that's all in bold there. Read that and see what they are, okay? So for example, where it's talking its purpose and then it sample transitions for it, all right? So once we start getting into a little bit more writing, which is coming up, by the way, this is the kind of stuff that you're going to want to start working at and start getting better at, because you're going to want to be able to, once we start writing, say, a 2-page or 3, 4, whatever, how many pages or how many paragraphs kind of paper, to be able to go from A to B to C to D, okay? Okay, so you guys got that box there where it talked about text structure, purpose, and sample transitions? Alrighty. So then let's look at page 79 there, where it talks cowpox, smallpox, and immunity, and then that one about the ups and downs of gardening, okay? So, like we've been doing, go ahead and read those, and then let's talk about the questions, okay? Okay, do you guys read those paragraphs? All right, so question number one, what do we got? So what is the step in the process came before this guy's recovery from cowpox?
D.
What do you say, Cameron?
I said D.
It's B.
Me?
Yeah. You got to be exposed to the disease before you can recover from it, right?
So what's the difference between generic exposure dates to smallpox? Oh. Oh. Okay.
Okay. All right, so then two, so which of the following phrases helps you to understand the order of steps in this process?
C.
C. Yeah, so after being exposed to the disease, that is a great way of chronologically laying something out. So if you look back on 78 where it talks chronological order or process, after is one of the example transitions, okay? All right, and then the last one. So question number three there. So which of the following writer's argument against planting and maintaining a garden?
B. B.
Yeah, B. So a number of factors can damage it. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, I tell you what, let's take a break. And then we are going to go over 80 to 83. So when we come back, what I want you guys to do is start working on those. So there's a bunch of these different excerpts. So 80 to 83, okay? So start reading those and answering those questions, and then when we come back, we'll